Guys, it's raining tacos. I'll show you.
بابا هذا عاش طول حياته مو مثلنا.
نزيد يعني مو مثل عماد رايح لافغانستان.
Wow.
انا ما راح مسافر.
مشى ايه
This
هذا
is a
عايش
big
عايش
club.
ياكل عسل.
Last time,
يعني
there was like a storm. It was raining like really bad. It felt like we were taking a bath. This almost. So I want to tell you about it. It's raining pour right
ما
now.
بيشتغل حيله.
You can't even see it's raining pour. Like very cool. I'll show you it.
يشيل السفينه هسه علي داور هذا الموسم مالته.
اللي يشيل السفينه؟
إيه.
يا
The
سفينه.
rain's actually going down. It was much bigger like 1 minute ago. So yeah, so I'm gonna update you about goodbye guys.